Thank you guys so much for tuning back into Gene Loves Plants. This week, I'm going to take a little break from my trip in Tulum and I'm going to take you guys on some chores with me. Actually, just one chore, and that's watering some of my plants. And I'm going to water them from the bottom, and I'll let you guys know what that means. Hi. Hello. How are you? I had to clear my throat. So, the last couple videos have been short videos. I was in Mexico, in Tulum, in the Quintana Roo, one of the most beautiful places on this planet. One of the best places I like. I like it. I think it's beautiful. And I still have some more videos, but I wanted to take like a little break because I find myself doing chores around my house, and then I'm like, oh, I should have filmed that, right? One of those chores is watering some of my more difficult plants, some of the smaller pots, and I like to water them from the bottom. And one of the reasons for that, well, there's multiple reasons, and I'll show you with 3 of my plants, right? So I have a Hoya right here, right? And as you can see, the substrate is right up at the top, right? So a lot of times, and then the leaves are like flat. So I find I have to clean these. Don't mind my mustache, guys. I tried to comb it down and then it wanted to do this Farrah Fawcett thing. So it's like wispy. So, and then the leaves are flat. I think this is the Obviata. Times when I try to water this plant, the water just slips off the leaves. So I like to water it from the bottom. I have my Sansevieria. I don't know what type this is. I looked it up. It said fernwood. I'm not sure. If you guys know, hit me up. And I have this guy. I don't know the name of this one either. It's an aloe vera. I do know that. I just don't know what type. Looking crusty, right? This is from a friend of mine who does well with plants, but had this in the closet. I guess he kind of forgot about it, and I was like, I'm gonna bring this plant back to life. So again, it's also, the dirt is also rated, the dirt, damn it. The substrate is all the way at the top, so I would like to water it from the bottom. So I'm just gonna show you guys that real quick, okay? So in real life, this can take about 20 minutes. I like to just put mine in water before I go to work. When I come back, I take them out. It's kind of fuss free. But in the moment, you can just find something else to do. And so as to not waste, I also use that water that's left to water my other plants. So that's it. It's pretty easy. It's something really simple. It's a mess-free, stress-free way to water your plants. And I just want to share that with you. Thanks again, guys, so much for coming back, sitting with me, listening to my stories, just being the best audience ever. If you like what you see, tell a friend, like, subscribe, please, and leave a comment. And come see me next week. Bye, guys.